Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at page 2, Standard of Excellence, book 2. And we are looking at our E-flat warm-up. It's called No Looking Back, but it's an E-flat warm-up. And let's do that again. Do it a little slower, just so you can lock in the tempo. That's No Looking Back. Now moving on to number 9. We are looking at Turkish March. All right, so it's Allegro, so we're at a quick speed, and I'll do quick first and then slow the second time. Right, and that's a tune, but Mozart did that one, and it's actually usually done a little quicker. But if you're first working on this, you want to slow it down a little bit and lock in the pitches and find the patterns. 1, 1, 2, 3, and by that I don't mean fingers, I mean pitch. E flat F G. 1, 2. That takes us through to number 10. This is on a row. All right, well, that's looking up nice. Horn valves work nicely. A little sharp as we get down to those lower 1 and 3 pitches, but that's pretty snap. Out a little bit. This slide was completely stuck in. So now we're looking at Hymn of Thanksgiving on Dante. Walking speed, slow smoothing. And this is the baritone part for a band arrangement. So you may not hear the melody parts that you might normally hear. I know a lot of the flute, clarinet, trumpet parts have those. We are filling in the roots of the chords and the thirds of the chords, kind of building it up. So the first thing I'm going to say, pay closer attention to the articulations as I go through those. That you look at you make sure you're tonguing the second set of eighth notes in those and not just letting them become a slur, which is easy to do when you're playing in a full group. Guilty of that. And so here we are with Hymn of Thanksgiving. In the key of E flats, B's, E's, and A's are flat. Watch your dynamics and pay close attention to your articulations. We have a lot of tongue slur. And here we go. 1, 2. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.